Hello everyone, welcome back to the Goldblossom channel. Hope you're doing great. In today's video we have aloe vera right here, so I'm going to share with you the benefits of using aloe vera, the benefits of taking aloe vera juice. It's very important in our body, healthy, 100% natural home remedy, and this is a medicine, so it's used by a lot of doctors. And if you planted this at your home, I think you'll be one of the richest people. I guarantee you won't visit the hospital again to buy expensive medicine, because this treats a lot of diseases. Okay, well, this is aloe vera and it looks like this. There is the one that is poison. I'll put the picture right here so you can identify the two. Okay, this is the original one, the original aloe vera. It's green like this, and yeah, so I'm going to show you how you are going to prepare aloe vera juice for constipation, for ulcer, for diabetes. It treats a lot of diseases. Well, I guarantee you after watching this video you'll never visit the hospital again. So please watch until the end, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's grow the family. And here, so aloe vera is known for treating constipation. Once you have taken some poisonous food, this is a very accessible remedy to cook immediately and take a glass of it. So you will poop out, you bring out everything, every dirty thing that you have eaten, every poisonous food that you have taken. And it's good for cleansing, okay, cleansing the stomach and putting out all the detox in your body. Aloe vera is good. So once you lack that, please just take one glass of aloe vera. So you're just going to go ahead and cut it into pieces, as you can see. But before cutting it into pieces, make sure you have cleaned it very well. I cleaned mine before. So right now I'm just going to put hot water. I prefer hot water because I want it to boil quickly. I'm starving. I want to take this because I have some constipation. Okay, and please take this for because if you want to stay hydrated, it's really good. And you can just decide to take it once a week. I guarantee you will never ever visit the hospital again. Aloe vera is like medicine around the world, and doctors are using it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to cook it until it brings out the thick water that we need. Yes, go ahead and cook it a little bit. You can boil it and from 10 to 25 minutes until you want that juice, the thick one. Yes, so once it cooks to the maximum until you like it, you're just going to turn off the fire and let it cool down. But let me tell you, if you lack vitamin C, this is the medicine. Aloe vera is a medicine. And for those people who have cancer, there is nothing stopping you from taking one glass of aloe vera, and you will see the difference. Okay, and another thing, before cooking this aloe vera, you can just smash it and put olive oil. Let it stay for 12 hours, then apply the olive oil on your stretch marks. You will see a difference because it has a lot of benefits. Well, right now I'm just going to leave it and it cools down, because you can't take it when it's hot. You know what I'm talking about. If you have tasted it before, you know what I mean. It's sour. It is sour. Okay, so you're just going to leave it there and it cools down. Yeah, once it cools down, we are going to put it in a glass. If you have organic honey, yes, if you have organic honey, real honey, please consider putting 1 or 2 spoons of honey, and then you are good to take your aloe vera. If you don't have organic honey, you can get any honey from the stores, but please do not use sugar. Just put your spoon and stir a little bit just to spice it up a little bit, and then take your aloe vera. When I tell you, you will see a difference. Yes, there is, because it treats a lot of diseases. For those who are struggling with ulcers, this is the medicine. So right now I'm just going to take my aloe vera and I'm loving it. Let's try it. And please, if you are pregnant, do not take it. And for kids below 10, do not also take it. You can take a little bit, like 2 spoons, because it is sour. See,